Kia. Kia.
Yes.
Where are we going?
To Japan.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Japanese as well as carpet.
Some Wagyu beef.
Surprisingly, it's much better.
Hey guys! Good morning! It's actually our first full day here in Japan. Ang plan lang namin today is we're gonna go to Tsukiji Market, Asako Temple, and Shibuya Crossing. This is actually 5th time here in Japan and madalas kami dito kasi we really love the country. Meron na kaming multiple visa. Ako, si Daddy Charles, and si Clea.
I can smell something good.
It smells like beef! Ayan guys, we're gonna eat and crab and seafood. I'm so excited. We're just gonna wait for our seat. And Clea is using our Jisoo Life. Can you show your electric fan, please? Hey!
Tara, let's go inside.
We're so hungry.
Masarap to.
Sarap?
Sarap to. Mahal yan. Pasensya na po.
Medyo naparami ang ating order. Kasi nakikrave ako nito guys, matagal na. Simula na kumain kami dito, sobrang sarap ng food nila. This is actually our second time eating in this restaurant. Saan nakuha ng kaya?
Binigyan siya.
After namin mag-seafood, now naman we're gonna eat beef.
Treat.
You want to eat beef? Why?
Treat.
Video yourself.
Guys, we're in Japan. We have a lot to do. Also, we have something to do about all of the people. Dad, say hello.
Hello.
That's my dad. I'm wearing these clothes. That's my uncle. And this is my mom and dad. And this is me. I'm the daughter. I'm a girl. My dad is a boy. She's a man. And my mom is a girl. She's so pretty. Bye-bye.
We're gonna try na the Wagyu. Actually, na-try na namin ito before. Kainin natin ulit kasi nakaka-crave. Do you want? Do you want to take the first bite? Hot. Go. I'll go try it first. Yummy. Oh my God. Parang siyang beef
Wag
patty
of
pero
the mommy.
the taste of
Wag
the
of my
real
mommy.
beef, sobrang lambot. Share na kami ni Daddy Charles kasi sobrang busog pa namin from the seafood. Ano?
Sarap.
Sarap, no? We're here na sa ice cream place here in Tsukiji. After ng kumain na seafood and everything, parang ang sarap mag-cleanse ng palate with ice cream. So, maraming ice cream places dito. So, I feel like kahit saan you can never go wrong. But I'm gonna have my matcha ice cream. Binibili lang siya ni Daddy Charles. Hey, Tia! No, not that one!
I will taste.
Hey, Dad, that's mine.
Lahat na lang kinain mo. Kinuha
Ay,
mo yung,
masarap din.
kinuha mo yung best part. Ang kupal.
Mom, can I try yours?
Oh, sure. What? Ah! Sarap. Where are we?
In Japan, in train.
Where are we going now?
To the Japan train.
Let's go. We're gonna go to Shibuya after Tsukiji.
Shibuya.
Clea! Clea! You're crossing the Shibuya crossing. Oh, faster, faster, faster! It's red na pala. Dito kami ngayon sa Adidas and meron silang Hello Kitty collab. I need to buy Clea's PE shoes. Let's buy it here. And this one looks nice. This one. Next stop namin, which is Mega Donkey, which I think is the biggest Donkey Hotel store. Aba, nag-haul. Nag-haul ka, bata? lahat ng Haribo, you bought it? That one is super sour, but sweet.
I'm getting super many. Woo! Mom, where's the push cart?
Wait lang, Daddy's still getting it. What's that?
เรามาซื้อที่นี่ก็ได้มาดูกัน
Crystal candy?
Yeah,
เราคูณให้คุณเองกี่บาทวะ
blue or rainbow?
Which one do you like?
500
I think blue because this is my favorite color. Mom, let's buy this one too.
Do you know how to eat that?
Yeah, it's just roll. Mom, look behind you.
What?
Pikachu.
This is one of my favorite sunscreen from Japan. So nice. Okay guys, nakalabas na kami dun sa Mega Donkey. Oh my god.
Mom, let me see the wall.
Oh, vlog! No, wait lang. Mommy first. Grabe guys, it took us 3 hours. Hi guys! Today, we're going to
Disneyland.
Who do you want to see today?
Everybody, every Disney. Mom, look at this, Mom.
What is it?
It's a Mickey Mouse train.
Really?
Yeah.
Sit down in the Mickey Mouse train.
Oh, look up there.
What is it?
It's Uncle Willie up here.
Up there, look. Look at the hangers.
Handles.
Handles is Mickey Mouse too. Oh my God.
It's so big.
Do we picture there?
Yeah.
Let's run.
Oh, let's go to them. Wow, we're here. We're here in the shop and we're gonna buy the ears para cute kami sa photos. Tia wants to buy this soft toys, pero later na lang pag pauwi na kami. I'm wearing na my headpiece, pero grabe. Hindi pa ako masyadong aesthetic. Walang katao-tao, parang hindi nyo na kailangan ng fast pass. Maganda pala pumunta na ganitong mall, although mainit. Pero, hindi siya masyadong mahabang pila sa lahat. Our first ride is Tower of Terror.
I'm scared. Scared.
Tia is scared na. You're scared na. Natatakot siya guys dito sa interior. Ang dilim kasi, diba? Tapos parang demonyo-demonyo. We're done with our first ride.
It was scary for me. And not scary for my mom and my uncles and my dad.
I need to take my photo. Pero, grabe, lapot na ako mga sisters. Potsy Bear! Where are we?
Please Jasmine as well as carpet.
Are you excited?
Yeah, there's a handle here.
Where?
Here.
And then, what are we gonna do with that?
I don't know.
Ang sungit mo naman. I think I know.
What is it?
I think when you press up and down, our carpet will go up and down.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Try later.
Good morning, Miss Clea. She's been sleeping since we went home. Hindi na siya nakatake a bath. But, this is morning na guys. Nakatulog kasi siya sa car. And then ngayon, papunta kami sa Gotemba. Si Daddy Charles wala na because they rented a car. And sobrang knockout niya after Disneyland. So, ang tagal ng tulog niya. Morning na. Ito na yun, ni-rent ni Daddy na car. And we're going to Mount Fuji today.
It's really hot outside.
Ito nga pala, baliktad yung drive niya. I forgot. Pala ako sa kabila. Dad, where am I gonna sit? In front or at the back? Okay. Daddy Charles is driving. And then guys, ayan. Nandito na kami sa highway. Kasi papunta kami sa Gotemba Premium Outlet. So, yan. And my baby Clea is there. She's so bored na. She's just watching iPad, eating chocolate and chips. Hindi ko sure kung Mount Fuji na ba yan. Hindi, no? Hindi siya perfect cone eh.
Mom, I told you to talk English.
Okay, sorry. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi kinakabahan ng ate mo. Nakakaba. Kasi unang-una, baliktad diba? Parang right-hand drive siya. Sa Philippines, left. Nandito yung steering wheel. Hindi na kami makakapunta sa ibang tourist spot or sa, you know, yung mga malapit sa Mount Fuji. Kasi anong oras na guys? 1:47 na. So magla-lunch pa and everything. Diretso na kami sa Gotemba Premium Outlet. And I'm so excited to shop. It's one of my favorite shop here in Japan. And sobrang lapit niya lang sa Tokyo. Nakapag-park na kami sa Premium Outlet parking. And we're currently walking papunta na dun sa mall guys. Para kami nasa forest.
What do you want to say to the people? Hi guys!
Hi guys.
We're now at the
Shopping.
Prada outlet store. And I'm waiting for Mom. Because Mom is taking a look with the shoes. And I'm just waiting here and I want to vlog.
Today is our last day in Tokyo. Hindi na ako nagdala ng camera kasi medyo mabigat. But we are currently in Ueno. We're looking for second-hand mga bags, jewelries. Dito daw kasi sa Ueno yung pinakamarami. Ito na yun, no? Let's see. Pasok tayo dito sa Afura, guys. May mga bags. And may mga watches din. Wala masyado mga second-hand store dito. Unlike ng ine-expect ko. Pero anyways, ito. Tatry namin yung shawarma. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina guys. Pero nandito na kami sa Shinjuku. Nagtingin ako nitong DJI Osmo Pocket 3 series. And I want to get it. So, bayaran na natin siya. Ganda pala itsura sa big camera. Para siyang hardware. Andito na kami ngayon sa Kabukicho Street. Hindi ko sure kung tama yung pagkakasabi ko. Dito na kami sa Wagyu restaurant for our last dinner. Ayan na yung mga beef namin, guys. Hindi pa complete yung order. We're ending our night with some Wagyu beef. Ito yung restaurant na kinainan namin, guys. Dito lang siya along Shibuya. And then yung binayaran namin is around 10,000 pesos, which is not bad kasi sobrang dami naming order. Ang sarap. Uwi na kami. And Clea just bought some my Melody na rubber band.
Mom, can you do it for me? Can you put it for me, Mom?
Okay. Heading home! Look! Bumili kasi siya ng gold set, guys. Doon sa Gotemba Premium Outlet. And then, ang dami naming dala. Yung isang luggage namin dinala na ng friend namin. And si Clea, buti na lang she's helpful na. Today is our last day. Ayan, ang haggard ko na, guys. Kasi yung skin ko, parang nagkaroon ng... ewan ko. Parang ang kati-kati na parang nagbabalat na iwan. We are finally home! Binuksan na namin yung isang maleta. Grabe, I'm so tired today kasi sobrang daming tao sa airport. Itong isang maleta, puro to donkey. What are you showing? Nagpabili kasi siya ng pen. So, ayan, puro siya donkey. And tomorrow kasi yung first day of class niya, diba? May mga binili kasi akong pang school niya. So, aayusin na natin yan. Ito yung mga donkey finds namin. Ayan. I bought her some lunch box. Nakaka-happy kasi sobrang hype din dun ng cinnamoroll. Eh, ang hilig ni Clea sa ngayon sa cinnamoroll. Ewan ko kung ano yung type na yun. So, ito, hindi ko nga alam kung lunch box to eh. Pero, ayan. Lunch box again. Then, si Daddy bumili ng mga pang-golf. Ayan. And then, cinnamoroll again. For Clea. And then, anak, I bought you mga handkerchief. Mahal-mahal ng panyo niya. Parang 250 isa. Yellow! Hindi ko kato mahanap kasi sa Shopee, guys. Nung nakita namin sa Japan, nag-hoard na ako. And then, my favorite shampoo. Nag-hoard ako. Sobrang dami, guys. Kasi itong honey na to, hindi ako inaano dito, hini-hair fall. Sobrang dami. Like, ayan. Ayan. Ito pa.
Orange.
Ayan. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Ayan, may mga refills pa. Every variant. Ayan, my favorite hair mask from Fino. So, dalawa yung binili ko.